Richmond now, where the snowdrift in some neighborhoods is waist deep.
The night team's Leanna Faulk has the latest on how residents are feeling.
So I had planned to go door to door here in Richmond, but it wasn't safe enough to pass. So I turned to social media instead and asked people to send me photos and videos of what they were seeing. And let me tell you, they did not hold back.
It's nothing compared to January. That was light and fluffy, and this is very, very heavy snow.
On Sunset Drive, snow stacked up to knee height for most.
Plus the 16 we already had, and now another 26 on top of that. So this is monumental. This is a lot.
Neighbors like Patty spent hours carving narrow paths through towering drifts of snow. Across town in Wyoming, Megan Nerado sent us this video of a snowplow stuck at the corner of Spring Green and Charahoe Drive. The wheels were moving, and that's about it. Megan says it got free after a few minutes. On a farm in Hope Valley, Deanna captured the wind-whipping snow left, right, and center. The kind of gusts that make it impossible to tell sky from the ground.
Carly, where you going?
And in Richmond, John Moe and his family turned 2 feet of snow into a morning adventure.
Is it 2026?
Meanwhile, in Hopkinton, Becca Thornton rode shotgun in a plow truck, still clearing driveways at 8 p.m.
I just want to tell everyone to be patient.
Richmond has roughly 112 miles of town roads to clear. Town Councilor Dan Madnick says emergency routes are the priority.
It's going to be a lot of work, and it's not going to be cleared probably for a couple days.
Back on Sunset, Patty says this storm feels different, heavier, harder, and humbling.
Pretty much a non-essential neighborhood, so we just look out for one another and help everybody, make sure everybody's safe.
Well, town officials tell me clearing all of Richmond's side roads could take several days, so they are asking for patience, reminding people that emergency routes and main roads are the priority. In Richmond, Rhode Island, Leanna Faulk, NBC 10 News, Night Team.